In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create these kind of viral and amazing gradients in After Effects. So these two and this one also. So these things are very easy to create. Let's create a new composition. Then we are going to create multiple ellipse of different colors. So just create one ellipse, then create another like this. Create as many as you want. And one more here. Okay, so I have created a lot of ellipse. So in the properties here, select one by one and then give them the fill color. Okay, so I am just giving them the fill color. So I have applied the colors to each of them by one. Now we are going to create a new adjustment layer, and then we are going to apply the Gaussian blur effect to it and increase its radius to a very large number. Okay, so if you don't like the black area behind, so you can just fix it by creating a new solid, picking a color that you like and move it to the background like this. Okay, what if you want to change these colors? Okay, instead of going them one by one, so the simple thing is to apply the saturation effect to it and move the slider, and then you can see different colors of the gradients. Okay, let's say I would like this one, so I can use this one also. Okay, now let's animate this gradient. Okay, before applying the Gaussian blur, apply the turbulent displace effect to the adjustment layer. Increase the amount, increase the size. I think we don't need that much. Then hold alt and click on the stopwatch and give it time. Spheric 50. Now our gradient is animated. Then enable the Gaussian blur and you can see that our gradient is moving. Now if you want more animation, you can just create a null layer and parent the shape layer to the null layer, and then press R on the keyboard, hold alt and click on stopwatch, and then do the time spheric 20. So now it will rotate your shape layers, and also you need to adjust some of the shape layers in these areas because these are empty. Right now we don't need the null layer, so I'm going to delete it. So this is our gradient. Now the next thing we can do is to apply a glow effect to the adjustment layer like this. Increase its radius, play with its threshold so that we can get something good that we want. Okay, now in order to create something like this, we have the gradient right now. We have to just create a new text. So write something in white color. This is very important, and then center it by pressing Ctrl Alt Home and then Control Home, and then increase its scale. Change the fonts as you like. Okay, I think this one is fine. Then right now, then you need to pre-compose all of the things that you have created before. So just pre-compose them, and then inside the track meta, change it to animation like this. Okay, and if you don't like the color, again you can just apply the hue and saturation effect to it and change the colors. Okay, I think we are getting something. I like this one. Then I'll create a new adjustment layer and apply the CC radial fast blur, change it to brightest and move it a little bit like this. So we have Okay, and we can also use the glow effect. Increase the threshold, increase the radius. You can also duplicate it. I think, I guess this is our animation right now, and it need to decrease the amount little bit. So like this, we have created this thing, and then this is just a simple gradient. Now about this is the exactly the same thing that we have created here. Okay, so these two are just simple text. Then this is the adjustment layer where we have used turbulent displace, Gaussian blur, and the hue saturation. This is without hue saturation, this is with hue saturation, and I have applied the exposure effect to it just to control. Okay, so if we disable the exposure effect, this is how it will look like. So in order to pop up the colors, I used exposure effect. If you don't want to use exposure effect, you can use the curves effect like this, and uh, creates a curve something like this. So, and then these are the shape layers that we have used. I have used in this one. So that's it for this video. This is very easiest background, and you can use this on a lot of places.